National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carrier Mills, or 9 miles west of Harrisburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, El Dorado, Carrier Mills, Raleigh, Stone Fort, and Muddy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Saline and Williamson,